there's a path from Plato's cave to this informational realism. For Plato, and we are oversimplifying poor Plato, but say Plato with small p, not capital P. He taught us to consider knowledge as something passive, something that we enjoy by looking at things, listening to things, touching things. You can imagine Plato as the epistemology for someone who watches TV. We've been dealing with that for centuries. Now, with Turing, the computer revolution, the information revolution, and so forth, we have a much more dynamic, proactive understanding of knowledge. Knowledge is something that is related to building, constructing, modeling, testing and revising. It's the difference between being able to state a mathematical theorem and being able to build a proof of that mathematical theorem. Now, for Plato, small p, knowledge is a passive experience. So I use the analogy of system users. Those are the cave people. The people in the cave are just looking at the wall and they see all these images. When they go out, they just look and they keep looking. And everybody never touches anything. It's just looking and looking. Fast forward a couple of millennia or so, and all of a sudden we're talking about system builders. People who know the systems they're dealing with because they are the engineers who put them there. They know what is inside the box. They're not just looking at the TV. They built the TV. Now, that is the difference that I'm drawing in epistemology between a passive, look but don't touch kind of epistemology and an active, sort of, we would call poietic, as in making. That's the Greek word, epistemology, where you don't just sort of look, but you build, dismantle, construct, break, repair, and that's how you know it.